What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Unique Cut. I'm your host, Christian. On this episode, I didn't plan on doing this episode. We got a guy that comes through the barbershop every once in a while. He brings like supplies, he brings clippers and stuff. My man brought through something I didn't even know existed. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, not a review because I don't know how the machine's gonna work yet. I'll do a review at another time. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on the Metal Edition Magic Clip. Pretty cool looking. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys me using it, and yeah. So stay tuned, and here we go. Alright, we got the Wahl Metal Edition cordless magic clip. See that? For you guys out there with regular magic clips, like this guy. Should be the same thing, I don't know. Find out right now. Box. Now we got this cool packaging. It's got this whatever shit on it. Wahl Clipper Corporation, 100 years tradition, blah blah blah. Oh shit. I was not prepared for this at all. Huh? Yeah, I know. So yeah, what the fuck you doing in there? The unboxing looks like dog shit. Yeah, nigga, it's real life. Alright, you have to cut this. It's got a clipper. For some reason, I have oil inside of my box. I have to figure that out. Right, we got the machine. Whoo! I don't know, Rich. I don't know. We got the machine. It's got the. It's backwards. There we go. What's your name, motherfucker? What the hell does it say? Cordless magic clip and a stamp on the middle. Yeah, that's why it's giving me a hard time. It's backwards. It's all metal housing. It's got the same plug as the old one. It's got the same snaggletooth top with the 2 bolts as normal. Plastic arm. Alright, we got that. We gotta see what else is in the box. Oh, it has a patent number on it too, for you guys that act like you're special. Yes, it has all the specs, all this crap that you guys like to have, the sterling, the address, all of that on the back. I don't know why you guys care about shit like that, but there it is. Alright, what else is in the box? Normal crap. We got the charger. Blow. Same fucking charger. I don't know, it's different. So I can take this overseas. That's pretty cool. I can take this out of the country. I got the little connector for other. That's pretty cool. Not like I'm going out of the country, but it's pretty cool. My old one didn't have that, so calm it down, bucko. Oh, we got a carrying case / rag thing. Oh no, it's just a rag, not a carrying case. Womp womp. Has 100 years on it though. I guess it's to polish it. Rich, did 1919 come with that?
What's that?
This towel?
Yes.
Alright, so it's the same towel you get with the 1919.
Let me see this thing up.
It's got the 100-year tradition on it?
Yes.
Yeah. Same towel you get with the 1919. Woo! They gave you 3 premium guards. You got the half guard.
Mine didn't come on premium guards.
I guess the 1919 doesn't come with premium guards. You got the 1. And you got the 1.5. We got the wall comb that comes with every wall product. Any clip you get this wall comb, so there you go. Got another one. And the usual cover, blah blah blah, oil. Instruction manual for no reason, because if you bought this, you know how to cut hair. Yeah. Alright, so that was unboxing it. I'm gonna show you guys using it on my next haircut that walks in. You got this guy look like a weirdo. But yeah, so I'll show you this thing in action. A little bit. Alright, so you guys got to see that metal magic clip. So that's not a review, remember that. I'm gonna do a review next week or in a couple days. But just using that thing, it's nice. It's real nice. So yeah, like I said, I'll have a review for you guys in a little bit, but that's the machine. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I got the usual buttons: like, subscribe, share. And thank you again for stopping by. See you next time on Unique Cut.